How to log in or sign in into ADP Workforce Now account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into ADP Workforce Now Employee portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I'm using Google Chrome. So simply search for ADP Workforce Now Employee portal. Also, you can type in login as well. After you type that in, you'll find the login page for ADP Workforce Now. Here you will see login and support ADP Workforce Now. Open that up. So after you open that up, you will see different options here. You'll find three different options, that is employee login, administrator login, and accountant login. So since we are talking about the employee account, we'll just tap on employee login. You can choose either of this if you are either of this as well. So just tap on employee login and the login page should open up. So let's let this load. And while this loads, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's continue. So here now you'll need to type in your user ID. After you type in your user ID, tap on next and now type in your password. After you type in your correct credentials, you can tap on sign in and you'll get signed in into your account. And that's how easy it is, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, bye-bye, and take care.